Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a video of my dog Barley, and his name was Barley, and he's really dumb, and he was, one day he was just kind of resting underneath my bed, and then I went underneath my bed and started recording him. So that's what this video is going to be about. So I hope you like, and please subscribe.
No. He doesn't care.
He's that shiny thing.
Shiny thing where? This?
Yeah.
That's a warhead. Yeah, because Jack probably got it and then he brought it out in here and he realized that it was sour.
It's getting out this stuff.
Ah! Monster has moved. Monster. Oh, hi. I didn't know you were up over there. No, wait.
Look at Kruger's teeth. Look at Kruger's teeth.
Stop. No, stand up. Heard that.
Here, I'll just hold
Stop.
it.
I got it. Move that stupid sock out of here. Hi guys. My name is Barley. Today I'll be showing you how to make a video with little teeth. Okay, these teeth. I've had these teeth for a while now. I don't even know how they're white still. Maybe it's because I just eat dog food, not sugar. Like sugar, like them humans. Cause, oh yeah, watch this. Hey, no, watch. No, stop.
Ew, it's yellow.
Wait, where's his face? Okay. Hey guys. I had the world's biggest plant. I can almost fly.